Italian chili. I got chopped broccoli spears. They come in the bag already chopped. And I seasoned them. And then I took these spicy sprouts that came in a container already. These right here, shoots. These things are in here. 2 packs of these, $1.29. Woohoo! From Kroger. I'm done letting this cook. I put seasoning, all kind of seasonings, pepper, red pepper, minced garlic. What else I put? Chili powder, of course. Cumin, ground cumin, coriander. Got all that in there. So yeah, that's the salt, pepper. That's the seasoning. And I have used canola oil, so I didn't have olive oil. Got to put the rest of it, like the sauce. I got whole peeled tomatoes. I'm chop up once I put them in there. Green chili and also diced stewed tomatoes. And 1 can of chili beans. My son ate the other can and I didn't buy another can. Mild. Okay, so now let me put this extra can, 28-ounce can of peeled whole tomatoes that I'm going to chop. I need to get something with some sauce. Isn't that quick? And this is the can, the diced stewed. I'm putting all the cans in here now. You can't see. So I have put all the cans of tomatoes, which I used, as you saw, 2 cans of the diced chili ready tomatoes. Really just used 4 cans of that. 4 14.5-ounce cans, or 2 28-ounce cans. See, I had got this 28-ounce can of whole peeled. By mistake, I meant to get chopped, diced, or stewed tomatoes, but I grabbed that by mistake. So I just went on and did it, and I chopped it up with this spoon. They chop up easy with the spoon, so this is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm going to add the green chilies. And these are diced green chilies. Found them in the Mexican aisle. So look for the Mexican aisle in your store, Kroger or whatever store. And then I'm going to add the chili beans. I'm not using chili oil seasoning. I bought some, but it has a lot of other ingredients that I can't have right now that you can't have during the Daniel fast. Sugar is one. So yeah, I'm not using that because of these ingredients. See that? Corn, maltodextrin, and all that sugar, and riboflavin, and thiamine, all that stuff. You can't have that on the Daniel fast. You can't have that on the Daniel fast. Now this has a little bit of high fructose corn syrup in those chili beans, mild chili beans, but that's not, it's not gonna hurt because it had all these ingredients, had less than 2%. So really, how much corn syrup? 0.5, 0.1, not even 0.5. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this cook. And I'm gonna add some of this. I bought this and I never really used it. This was in the Asian aisle. Sashimi Togarashi. And Zane got something to say. I don't know what he wants to say, but he what you got to say? What you want to say? You dusted. He's dusty, y'all. Gonna have to clean him up a little bit. I need to chop that piece right there. Some more too. So now I'm gonna taste it. This is the finished product. Maybe I might have to add some more seasoning to it. I haven't tasted it, but I'm gonna taste it to see what it tastes like. See what might need to be added or taken away. Nothing can be taken away with what might need to be added to fix whatever it might taste like. But it looks pretty darn good. Smell-o-vision. Why? Why the noise, Laurel? Just look at them, y'all. Just why? Smell-o-vision. Smell-o-vision, people. Now I'm trying it to see what it tastes like, y'all. Lord, thank you for the food. Moving the impurities. Let it taste good. If not, we'll add something to it. Pretty darn good. If I do say so myself. And I say so.